Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is part 2 for distance versus displacement. How to calculate both distance and displacement. In the last video, we calculated distance and displacement going along the x-axis, east to west, left to right. In this video, we're going to do it in the y-axis going up and down. Okay? So, same problem, or different problem, same whale. We have a whale that swims 3 kilometers to the north and then it swims 5 kilometers to the south. Same questions. What is the total distance traveled? Alright, so in order to solve this, ladies and gentlemen, let's figure out the total distance traveled first. In order to find out the total distance, all you have to do is add the magnitudes. Remember, no direction for distance in order to figure out the total distance. So we have 3 plus 5, and if we use our great calculators known as our brains, we get 8 kilometers for the total distance. Now, what about displacement? There are two methods of doing this. One is to draw vectors. We have 3 kilometers going north and then 5 kilometers going south. If this was the starting point, then that means that there was about this much of the whale, or this much of the whale's journey that didn't overlap. Okay, so we can see that this part overlapped, and we know that the equation or the definition for displacement is the shortest point between the start and the end. Okay, so if we know that this was 3 kilometers and this was 5 kilometers, that must mean that the remaining portion of the travel was 2 kilometers. So in order to figure this out mathematically, all we have to do is do some simple addition. We know that anything going up or north is positive. Okay, there's a positive symbol there. I'm not going to write it. And anything that's going down is negative. Negative. So if we do the math, we get 3 plus negative 5 for a total of negative 2 kilometers. Now we know that that negative means south or down. Anything that is negative is south or down or left or west. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you solve distance and displacement in the y-axis.